Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. This is Frankie, and on this video I'm going to show you how I groom him using an electric trimmer. I learned to groom Frankie myself. Besides that is money savings, there were a few bad experiences we've had when taking him to the groomer. First one, the groomer let him escape by leaving the shop door open. We found him in 24 hours, but it took a lot of searching, flyer posting, and tears. Another time I took him to the groomer, he got his eyes scratched and had to take him to the vet for some eye drop medications. So I invested in an electric trimmer and learned to do it myself. For DIY dog grooming, I'll be using this wall trimmer, blade oil and brush, rounded tip pair of scissors, comb, 3 of an 8-inch size comb to trim his hair, and the shorter one to trim around his butt and underbelly. Before we start, we're going to apply oil on the blade. The oil keeps the blade sharp. Now I'm going to attach this comb. Good boy. I start by combing out Frankie's hair. He likes to lay down when we start trimming, so I always start on his back. It's easy access. Good boy. Good boy. You're fine. No sudden movements, Baba. You're fine. You're fine. Good boy. The blade starting to dull. I'm just gonna clean it and use the blade oil. I use this little brush to remove the hair in between the blades. You stay. Put the comb back. Now I'm gonna use this size to do a sunny trim. That's trimming around his genitals and his underbelly. I'm going to use this pair of scissors with rounded tip to trim around his face and feet. I always trim facing his inner ear so I can see where his ear's at and just trim around it. boy. You want a cookie? You want a cookie? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos of Frankie, DIY, couponing, or restoration, please subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out my playlist. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.